Here's a little song that can help you and your friends and your family stay healthier. Whenever you need to cough or sneeze, catch it in your sleeve to keep your hands cleaner. And we're going to do a little sign language to help us along with the song. Cough, sneeze, and please. Ready? Cough, cough, sneeze, sneeze, cover your mouth, please, please. Let's be careful how we cough. Let's be careful how we sneeze. Catch those germs right in your sleeve. Achoo! Great. One more time. Cough, cough, sneeze.